Imagine waking up one morning and scientists announce that something impossible has happened. The Pacific Ocean, the world's largest ocean, is gone, drained, empty. A dark, enormous basin stretching from Asia to the Americas. No waves, no deep blue water, just miles and miles of exposed seafloor, land that no human eyes have ever seen. Today, we're exploring one extraordinary question. What would happen if the Pacific Ocean suddenly disappeared? What secrets would rise from the deep? What disasters would reshape the planet? And could humanity even survive it? Let's dive in. One, the first shock, what we'd see. If the Pacific vanished instantly, the first thing humanity notices is the alien landscape left behind. Where the ocean once stood, a giant bowl appears, deeper than the Grand Canyon, wider than all continents combined. We would see massive underwater mountain ranges taller than the Himalayas, now standing dry. The Mariana Trench, a 36,000-foot abyss, now the deepest land canyon on Earth. Volcanic seamounts, black and jagged, scattered like giant spikes across the basin. Cracked, broken plates forming scars thousands of kilometers long. The exposed seafloor would be cold, pitch black, sulfur-stained, and lifeless, a landscape that looks less like Earth and more like an alien desert on another planet. 2. The mass extinction begins. The Pacific Ocean contains millions of species. Without the water, they have nowhere to survive. Within hours, whales lie stranded across muddy plains. Sharks and tuna suffocate. Coral reefs collapse instantly. Jellyfish, squid, and plankton dry out under the sun. Almost 90% of marine life on Earth dies in just a few days. Seabirds lose feeding grounds. Coastlines fill with billions of dead creatures. This becomes the largest mass extinction since the dinosaurs. And sadly, this is only the beginning. 3. Earth's climate breaks. The Pacific is the engine of Earth's weather. Without it, rainfall collapses across the planet. No evaporation means no monsoons in India, no typhoons in Southeast Asia, no rainfall across the west coasts of the Americas. Countries like India, China, Indonesia, and the Philippines descend into mega drought. El Niño and La Niña disappear, destroying the balance of global temperatures. The planet begins heating rapidly. Oceans normally absorb heat. With half the ocean surface gone, Earth warms by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius within years. Agriculture fails, forests burn, Arctic ice melts faster. The climate enters a state humans have never seen before. 4. Earth's rotation shifts. Removing trillions of tons of water changes the balance of the planet. Suddenly, Earth spins slightly faster. Days become a few milliseconds shorter. Earth's tilt might shift. Seasons become more extreme. These changes seem small, but even tiny shifts can cause massive global weather distortions. 5. Earthquakes and volcanoes erupt. Those mountains and trenches you now see, they form the Ring of Fire, the world's most active geological zone. The Pacific's water once acted like a stabilizing weight, pushing down on tectonic plates. Remove the water pressure, and the planet snaps. Volcanic eruptions explode across Japan, Indonesia, New Zealand, Alaska, California, the Philippines. Massive earthquakes shake the entire Pacific Rim. Not small ones, magnitude 9 and above. Even supervolcanoes like Yellowstone or Taupo could become unstable. Human civilization is now under constant geological threat. Six, what secrets would be revealed? With the ocean gone, we finally see a world hidden for millions of years. Ancient fossils and unknown life forms, strange extremophile microbes, preserved mineral organisms, and ancient species buried in the deep mud. Lost microcontinents. The ocean hides giant drowned landmasses such as Zealandia, Kerguelen Plateau, Hawaiian Emperor Ridge. These rise as new continents, giant rocky wastelands ready to be explored. Massive mineral treasures, billions of tons of cobalt, nickel, rare earth metals, manganese nodules. Countries race to claim the new land, but the deeper we explore, the more unstable the planet becomes. Seven, impact on human civilization. No freshwater crisis. With half the world's evaporation gone, rivers dry, lakes shrink, drinking water becomes scarce. Desert global drought. Asia, Australia, and both Americas turn into giant deserts. Mass migration begins. Billions move toward the few places that still have water. Northern Europe, Canada, Russia. Conflicts erupt over resources. Tornadoes, extreme storms. The Atlantic and Indian Oceans now heat faster, creating hyper-hurricanes, mega-cyclones, storms larger than anything we've recorded. Cities are destroyed. Infrastructure collapses. Humanity enters a struggle for survival. Eight, can Earth recover? If the water somehow still existed on Earth, just displaced, eventually gravity would force it to flow back into the Pacific Basin. But the return would be violent, a global reverse tsunami swallowing coastlines and continents. Ecosystems would take millions of years to recover. But if the water vanished permanently, Earth becomes a hot, dry, unstable world, a planet where oceans shrink, life collapses, and humanity's future becomes uncertain. The Pacific isn't just an ocean. It drives weather, stabilizes the planet, and supports life itself. Without it, Earth becomes unrecognizable. So next time you stand on the beach and watch the waves, remember, those waves are what keep our world alive. This world is perfectly created. A slight wrong change can affect us a lot. There is the Creator.